Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. Today I've got a shock absorber for a Porsche 987 Cayman Mark II 2009 onwards with the PDK gearbox. We're fitting a bump stops to the car because that's the brand new bump stops, new strut, top strut bearing as well, this one here, and top strut. Comes as a kit. And look at the old one, that's what's left of the old bump stops. It's just the bottom part, basically just that part left. The rest is missing, probably already fallen off, so we're fitting that. We have done the other side already. Let's have a look. That's the brand new bump stops there. That's how it's supposed to look. Pretty much everything's got to come off, like this side here. Brake disc, brake color bar, control arms, tie rod arms, diagonal arms and all that. Wiring harness, all this got to come out. So we can take the shock absorber out to do the actual replacement of the actual bump stop. Okay, if you want to know how it goes, so just remember, it goes like this. That's got to be on. That's got to go on the shock absorber first, and then this one here on here, that way, or you can just leave it there if you want. Spring, and the spring goes on, and then this one here goes on top like that, upside down this way, upside down this way. And then you got your bearing. Make sure you take the old one off, the old cover. So you got to take the rubber off and that cover off. So you just got to slide that out like that. So you got to reuse that and that. So that is going to go there, and the new bearing just goes here. Make sure you clean them up first. And once that and that, then you get the new one, goes on top like that. Alright, so we'll do the installation and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.